Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a new day. I am getting ready to go catch some fish. It's super overcast today, which is kind of weird. Yesterday was so hot, and today all of a sudden it's like super overcast. I mean, look at this. Talk about overcast day, right? So yeah, it's super overcast, and I am gonna go play with some trout. Tim's playing with the crossbow. Looks like we got pig for dinner. Hey, that'll be ready in like 5 minutes, all right? Just take it out. We already have one fish in the live well. Okay, let's go test our luck. I know of some big fishes over there with those pools, so I'm trying to work my way over there. I was playing with them yesterday and then I left them alone on purpose so that I could come catch them today. Look at this guy. Woo! I don't think you guys could see them in the water, but that was a big fish. Unfortunately, I didn't know it was there, so I walked right up on it. Okay, I'm about to show you guys how I usually fish creeks, alright? This is what I call full combat mode creek fishing. Gotta get down low and crawl to wherever you want to go, if you really want to get in on good fishing. It's the only real way to not spook too many fish. Not to say this doesn't spook fish, it still does, but you scare less fish this way. And by doing that, you catch more fish. Oh, fish came off. Got another one again. Dudes want to catch one, but this guy's too small. Nice brown trout. Not what I'm after. I mean, he's almost what I'm after. Yeah, he's almost what I'm after. Just not quite there yet. What we're gonna do is just let him go. All right, so let's try this again. Fish is coming after it. See if the fish will take it. Ah, he took it, but I didn't get him. He took my worm. Let's move up to this rock and sit right here. The fish left again. Yeah, let's move up to this rock. Sit down right here. And let's rebait up. Okay, time to creep up some more. In case you guys are wondering, I'm literally crawling. So when I creek fish, this is what I do. I like to crawl to where I want to go, because I'm able to get around and get to bigger fish without the bigger fish seeing me or knowing that I'm there. And these ripples that you guys are seeing don't seem to bother them too much. That's why when people ask me what I do when I come creek fishing, I tell them it's combat fishing. Because I'm in combat. It's funny because now that I'm giving you guys these examples, the fish decide to not bite. Oh, I just had a fish bite, but that was a little one. I definitely felt it was just a small one. That was funny, he took my worm. Took part of my worm. Took half of it. I think it's this hook. This hook's not getting them. I'm pretty sure it's the hook. Because I'm setting the hook, it's just not hooking into them. Maybe I gotta set it harder. Yeah, I'll try setting the hook harder. Okay, so there's a deep pool here, and then there's a deeper one on the other side. And they both hold big fish, so I gotta just make my way over like this so they don't see me. This is the honey hole pool right here. So I was working my way up to. And you know already I'm going to work really, really careful into it. Because like I said, I call this the honey hole pool. And I've missed the big fish in this pool a couple of times already. So I really want to get them. And then there's a very big waterfall behind it. Not waterfall. It's like an embankment. And there's a lot of fish back there. One problem is back here has a lot of bears. Like not a lot, but there's a couple of bears back here. See that? Something just flipped these rocks. These rocks are here. Something just flipped it. Got one small little guy. Not really what I'm looking for, so he gets to go. And we keep fishing. Hopefully the big guy comes out to play. Sooner or later he will. Just another little guy. Right in. Yep. All right, guys. Welcome back to the evening. Round 2 for crayfish. Rocking the Arby's net again, just like yesterday. Arby's, whatever you call it. It's for little Arby's toys. There's more fish. It's a colder night tonight than yesterday, so I'm not entirely sure how active they're gonna be when it's cold like this. You found one? Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, we're on the board. Yeah, I'm very cold. Yeah, I wish I could just run the light like this, guys. Like, to see so much better. Look at that fish. Only problem is if I run this light, I'm gonna run out of battery real fast. You know what? I'll run it like this until it dies. We'll just go until the light dies. Okay, I see one finally. You guys see him right there? Got him. Sweet. No, I'm on the board. Would not have been able to see them without this light. Only problem is I'm not confident that this light is gonna last very long. Oh yeah, my family's here today, my entire family. So we got a big old group at camp today. A little different from yesterday. Anyways, this isn't our usual crayfishing grounds. We usually crayfish somewhere else, but only way to find new places is if you actually go and explore. So we're exploring new areas. That way we're not just harvesting one spot. And every year when we harvest them, we don't harvest everything, but we do harvest the big ones. And we leave all the little ones. So we've noticed that we have less and less every year to harvest. So yeah, it's good to explore. Got him.
Is that the one you lost?
Yep, it's the one I lost. I got him. Got him.
How many are there?
2. Great.
Okay, where do you go?
He's under the rock. Put that one away first. Yeah, I didn't want to risk it because your light's dead, so figured be safe than sorry and just go back. But first, we'll just kind of slowly coast through. He's a big fish. I seen him. It's a good sized brown. Good fish. Oh, and back to camp. Oh, that was cold. Everybody want to say hi?
Why are you recording? What's up? Because the boy
Holy smokes, I'm cold. Hey, Shane, can you help me?
Yeah. Oh, can I help?
I need you to hold this open.
How about this one?
No, you don't.
Okay, it's a very long video here. 40 freaking 2 minutes.
We don't need new water. We can just dump whatever water we have in here. This is not like too damn. Feels like you probably got a lot more than I did. Which makes sense too.
Dump the water out. Oh, we got a good amount. We got way more than I thought.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, because I looked at my bag, I'm like, damn, I actually did pretty good. And I know you got more than I did. So.
Oh, we got a good amount. Enough for a boil. We would have got more, but Tim ran out of light.
How far did you go?
We didn't go that far. We didn't got to right past camp. Huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
No, we went to the right.
That's pretty good. That's almost as much as we got last night.
Yep, almost. It's another full bucket.
Nice.
Dump it back into the blue bag. No, yellow. No, they're just walking around. Yeah. Walking to the live well. No, it doesn't work like that.
That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good amount.
Yeah. Here, roll it up. I'm too cold.
I got it. Don't worry about it.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video tonight. We caught a bunch of crayfish again. We're definitely not cooking it today. I'm too damn cold. We'll cook it tomorrow. Peace out guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning and cook this, guys.